Today we're breaking down what an AB trust is, a powerful estate planning tool many married couples use to reduce estate taxes and protect their wealth for heirs. An AB trust is a type of living trust created by a married couple to reduce or eliminate federal state taxes after one spouse dies. How it works. Let me tell you how it works. When both spouses are alive, they place their assets into one trust. When the first spouse dies, the trust automatically splits into two separate trusts. Trust A, the survivor's trust, which holds the surviving spouse's portion and remains under their control. Trust B, the bypass or descendants trust, which holds deceased spouse's portion and is irrevocable. This split is why it's called AB trust. Why couples use it? The main purpose of this AB trust is to minimize estate taxes. Without it, the entire estate might eventually be taxed when a second spouse dies. With an AB trust, an asset placed to Trust B, you use up the first spouse's estate tax exemption. Because Trust B is irrevocable and no part of the surviving spouse's taxable estate, it bypasses estate tax when the second spouse dies. Trust state defers estate taxes until the surviving spouse's death. Strategy can protect millions of dollars and estate tax for very large estates. Example simplified. 40 seconds. Pay attention. Federal estate tax exemptions are very high today, but without planning, part of that 20 million could be taxed when the second spouse dies. With an AB trust, the first spouse's exemption shelters up to the set amount in Trust B by bypassing tax on that portion later. The remaining assets go in Trust A, giving the surviving spouse control and devouring taxes. The outcome: more assets pass to the heirs tax-free. Modern context and changes. AB trusts were more popular in the past when exemptions were much lower. Today, individual federal exemptions are very high, nearly 14 million per person in the US. As usual, exemption amounts can be transferred to the surviving spouse through something called portability. Because of this, AB trusts are less commonly used. Except couples with very large estates or specific estate planning goals. Pros and cons. Pros: reduces or eliminates estate taxes for their heirs. Can protect assets for children or other beneficiaries. And cons: more complex to set up and maintain. B trust assets may have restriction on access and control, not necessarily smaller for estates due to high exemptions. And in summary, AB trust is essentially a smart way for married couples with large estates to use both spouses' tax exemptions fully, give financial security to survivor, and ensure more wealth goes to heirs instead of taxes. If you like that, please let me know. Thank you. Or if you find it useful, also let me know.